Simbut Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Ba Preston Tensong lalit ban pli ya Modor Ba Shirnyeng jong Reverend JJM Nicholas Roy kabala bu sa kenmau Hamadan jong Clarity International Center for Performing Arts and Culture. Hang negas ngi basa kenmau lawan bandon benta lang da kispongot ki MDC na ki District Council jong Kathan Chetei Lamingi uba polling do Menteri Badekmi ya Katanan Arts and Culture uba penyai sings im si MKCDC upradot manikya Deb Burma ubadai UCM ka TTAADC rengkat kina alam ka balang ublay kis im kisoda rang ba snong kinong kit kam snong bat kiwei pat ki basha khot ngeu bha.
Thank you, Jayan Kubri Shibur. God bless you.
Institution of India, as well as when we go back to the history of Meghalaya. On behalf of the state government, I would like to welcome all the honorable CM of the district councils in the northeastern states. We have 10 district councils. Some of them CM are not here, but the representative in the form of executive members, ministers, chairman, and the members of the district council. Thank you so much. I'm very sure the conference that you have today and maybe yesterday too, if I'm not mistaken, will go a long way in helping to revisit the spirit of the Sikh schedule throughout northeastern state and also in India as a whole. Friends, I think our CM of KHCC must have already mentioned about few states who does not have this council. Now they spend all the way from far away to spend few days, few weeks here in Shillong to know exactly what is the real meaning of district council, which I personally feel this is the encouragement for having more district council in the near future in our nation. So we should not forget one thing. Reverend JJM Nicholas Roy here in Meghalaya is popularly known as the father of Sikh children. And I'm very sure the Sikh children was his brain along with our late Prime Minister, the first Prime Minister of India. And ultimately, we, the generation today, and the generation to come, we enjoy, and not only that, we are being guided constitutionally by their 6 children. we should not allow any misinterpretation of the Constitution of India, because some forces I could see nowadays, they said that this council in the present context is irrelevant. I think that is very unfortunate. It is really, really very unfortunate. Let me tell you, in the context of Meghalaya, we are as we are because of this council. Just a few years back, India was in the turmoil, I think we all know, before passing the CAB. But let me tell you gladly, just because of the 60th, we were exempted from the purview of the CAA. So friends, I would like to again salute this greatest personality, and not only that, his family members, especially the church. He hails from the Church of God. The church leaders are here, the pastors are here. Thank you so much. You produced a wonderful and a very special personality in the name of Reverend JJM Nicholson. So let this small function will remain with us, and it will go down to the history not only of Meghalaya, but it will go down to the history of the sixth schedule in India.